Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's just open it. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I literally love this. Okay, let's see if there's a battery. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so I still haven't even told you guys what camera this is. So, if you didn't know by now, I got the Canon M50, and right now I have the EOS Rebel T6. There is nothing really wrong with it. There was just some stuff that I really wanted to add for me to get a new camera, because I've had the Rebel T6 since I was in 7th grade, and I'm now going to be a freshman in college, so I thought that it would be good to upgrade my camera. So the reasons that I picked the Canon M50 is because it has this flip screen right here. So it flips out like this, so you can either have it like this so that you can vlog if you want, or look at it like this so you can see what's in your frame, or you can turn it and have it like this so that someone else can see on the screen, or you can have it like this or like this if you want. You can really kind of do whatever you want, which is something that I really liked about this camera. And I also wanted this camera because the autofocus on the Rebel T6 is pretty much non-existent. You can press this button here and then it'll make that noise and then it will autofocus, but it doesn't autofocus on its own. I'm 90% sure it doesn't. If it does, then I just never knew that, but I don't think it does, and I'm pretty sure on this camera the autofocus is a lot better than on the Canon Rebel T6. So I'm very excited about this. It also is really small compared to my camera, and my camera that I have right now is actually not even that big, but this one is a lot smaller, which I really like, so it's super easy to hold. So I'm very excited about this. However, I have heard that the battery on here is not very good, so I probably will need to get a couple extra batteries, but other than that, I'm currently obsessed with this, even though I haven't even recorded anything yet. It just looks so pretty, I feel like. Okay, now I'll switch to me actually using the camera. This is such a good camera. Shake! He doesn't like doing it on camera. Scout, shake! Hi, Brownie! It like autofocuses on my face. That is so cool. Okay, let's see. If I like back up. I don't know if it's still focused on my face or not. I can't see that far anyway. Okay, I really have nothing else to add to this video. I just want to show you guys that I got a new camera, and I'm very excited about it because it has a flip screen, it has really good autofocus, and it's small. That's literally all you need in a camera. Except now on my videos, I'm not going to be looking at the screen, I'm going to be looking at the other screen, which is probably not good, but I don't know. So, yeah. This is so exciting. Okay, well, if you guys watch this video, all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are looking to get a new camera, I definitely recommend looking into the Canon M50 because I personally absolutely love this camera, and I think you will too if you are looking for a camera that has good autofocus, a flip screen, and is pretty small. Super easy if you want to do vlogging because it is so small, which is really nice. So if you are looking for a new camera, I definitely recommend looking into the Canon M50. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe down below for new videos that will now be in focus. Okay. That will now be in focus. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. I literally love this camera. I'm obsessed.